Chia seeds, the perfect snack for health-conscious people. The Statesman has provided this. The mystical chia seeds provide several health advantages. Chia seeds are the edible seeds of Salvia hispanica, a flowering plant that is a member of the mint family. The hygroscopic seeds have a diameter of around 2 mm. Chia seeds are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and other substances that can greatly improve our health. They have been utilized by humans for ages, and the Aztecs and the Mayans were among the first civilizations to make them a staple food. The seeds were used medicinally and were a significant component of traditional remedies in the past. The health advantages of chia seeds. 1. They aid with digestion. Chia seeds are high in fiber. 100 grams of them will provide over 40 grams of dietary fiber. In addition to aiding in digestion, fiber also helps to avoid constipation and a number of other gastrointestinal issues. As a result of the soluble fiber in the seeds absorbing water, after you consume them, you will feel more satisfied since they will expand in your stomach. 2. It reduces the rate of aging. Antioxidants included in chia seeds aid in the battle against free radicals, which harm cells and destroy skin tissue. Free radicals assist the skin to regenerate, shine, and become healthy and attractive. 3. They lessen persistent inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in chia seeds and have a powerful anti-inflammatory impact, can help decrease inflammation. In fact, a research found that consuming 37 grams of chia seeds daily can help lower inflammation. Additionally, it lessens bloating. 4. Chia seeds may assist in lowering blood sugar levels. It can aid in blood sugar stabilization and reduction, which improves insulin sensitivity and lessens the risk of serious health problems including diabetes and high blood sugar. Chia seeds lessen the rise in blood sugar that occurs after consuming carbs by slowing down the pace at which the body releases glucose. 5. Beneficial to bone health. It is rich in micronutrients like calcium and phosphorus. Calcium is a major aid in maintaining healthy bones, while chia seeds additional protein aids in both muscle growth and bone health. 6. It may cause a drop in blood pressure. Several studies have found that chia seeds can reduce blood pressure in those who have hypertension, the main risk factor for heart disease. The antioxidants in chia seeds assist the heart in correctly pumping blood to all areas of the body, including the brain. For the body, these antioxidants are essential. 7. Chia seeds may assist in lowering blood sugar levels. It can really lower and normalize blood sugar levels, which can improve insulin sensitivity and prevent serious health problems including diabetes and high blood sugar. Chia seeds lessen the rise in blood sugar that occurs after consuming carbs by slowing down the pace at which the body releases glucose. 8. They contain a lot of fatty acids. Alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, is an omega-3 essential fatty acid that is found in surprisingly high concentrations in chia seeds. According to Dr. Ring, you can only receive these acids from your diet, and consuming foods high in ALAs can help avoid heart disease. In actuality, the seeds are among the plants that are most abundant in omega-3 fatty acids. The quantity of ALA in one serving is more than double what the National Institutes of Health recommends for a day.